Lauren, words cannot describe how lucky I am to get to marry you. I still remember the first time we ever met at the yellow ribbon ceremony. I knew from the first time I met you we had something special. I wish I could have met you sooner in my life, but I'm thankful our paths crossed. You are the kindest and sweetest soul I've ever met, and I am truly blessed to have you in my life. You are the perfect girl for me, and I love everything about you. This is day one for the rest of our lives, and I'm ready to start this journey with you.
Devin, Elijah. Today marks 6 years since we started dating, and 6 years since I told you I loved you for the first time. It only seems fitting that today I vow to love you for the rest of my life. If you had told me back then we'd be getting married, as crazy as it sounds, I would have believed you. You came into my life and helped show me the love and encouragement I deserve. For that, I will eternally be grateful.
I know it will have its ups and downs, but I'm willing to work through it all to make this love we have prosper and grow. I will strive to be a great husband and an even better father to our kids. I will put you first every day and put God in the center of our marriage. I love you with all my heart.
As your wife, I vow to pray for you endlessly as we grow our relationship in Christ. To choose to love you even when it is not easy. To support you in all your endeavors and be by your side in your most vulnerable moments. I could go on endlessly with all I want to promise you. Never underestimate the depth of my love for you. Today I give you all of me forever.